All right, so it's been all weekend, super bone dry now. It's set up pretty good, and I'm happy with it. Once I get it on there, I'll see how much of this dirt I can see. There's a big old hair in it right there. I'll be able to get that out if it bothers me once it's on the truck. But let's put it on the truck.
Hey, what was those initials you used earlier when we were eating? The what? The what?
BDG.
The BDG?
Yes.
And what's BDG mean?
Built different game.
Build different game. My man's. Okay, love you.
Love you.
Bye. I'm a dang, bro. What me? Dang, bro. Do it for the dang, bro. I do it for the dang, bro. I do it for the dang, bro. I'ma do my thing out. I do it for the dang, bro. I do it for the dang, bro. I do it.
So I got the old hitch off. It's right there. Big dangler. Now I gotta take the bumper off. As you can see, well, I had to get this bear out of the way. That sucked. Up in the air. But here we are. So let's finish it.
You can put them in the dirt and they'll finish first. That's a Crown Vic on mutters. Yes, it's 6 different colors. With the stick shift, this gutter. Just some misfits that shift gears. Don't give an ish about clutches. That's that drip, drip, no puddles. Talking about sip, sip, no bubbles. How about that dip, 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 then stutter. Talk about the Fleetwood with them things on it. That's dang, homie. Put some dang on it. I do it for the dang, bro.
Okay, now the fun part. Well, maybe the fun part. I haven't got to the fun part yet. I'll tell you when the fun part is. Bumper's off, old hitch is off. And now we kind of offer this thing up and see how this Chinesium fits this truck. And we'll go from there. Hopefully, it should fit okay.
And light 'em up. I do it for the gang, bro. I do it for the gang, bro. I do it. I'ma do my thing, oh. I do it for the gang, bro. I do it for the gang, bro. I'ma do my thing, oh.
Watch the game show on YouTube.